Kubor baman kasngi, awalam shapi da unang yalam ni.
Pyllait Chief Minister Conrad Kesangmai ka City Beautification Right Mawlai Mawroh bat Mawlai Ïewrynghep nakaliang jo Conrad ulong bakade kadi ka share balayo lang ba ka Shillong water supply scheme.
Okay. Mawlai Ïewrynghep, can you come forward? We are in Mawlai Ïewrynghep, and again we are continuing the Paint My City campaign. As mentioned earlier, the purpose is very simple, that in very small but simple ways the community can come together and do their bit to overall improve the look and the beauty and the cleanliness of the city. And that's really what this campaign is. So we're doing this here, and I hope that every other locality and every other individual citizen will follow. Thank you so much. Okay? Where is this? Here. This is really exciting stuff that's happening, guys. Once this is done, it'll be really beautiful. The city will look so beautiful. And as I said, the most exciting part is that everybody will have a role to play in it, and you would have made the difference. So I really encourage everyone to participate in this. As I said, the small things, by cleaning up the sides, painting these areas, a huge difference can be made. And that's really what the My City campaign is. It's a community movement. It's not about what government can do, but it's about what we all can do. Develop their space. Most places, it's not going to take it. We will give you money to develop it.
Banyo iki kubor baman kasngi, sumhawan subscribe ka channel unang yalam news. Kublay shibu.